Are you posting content randomly, hoping someone will magically become your next design client? What if I told you that 73% of designers who use strategic content calendars see a 40% increase in client inquiries within just 3 months? Today, you're going to learn exactly how to create that game-changing content calendar. I'm going to walk you through the exact system that transforms random posts into a client-attracting machine. You'll discover the 5 essential elements every design entrepreneur needs in their content calendar. Plus, I'll share the 3 biggest mistakes that keep talented designers invisible to their ideal clients. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your creative passion into consistent client bookings. Whether you're a graphic designer, web designer, or any creative professional, this system works. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Here's the truth most design educators won't tell you. Your portfolio might be stunning, but if you're not strategically nurturing your audience, you're basically invisible. Most designers post whenever they feel inspired, share random behind-the-scenes content, and wonder why their DMs stay empty. A content calendar isn't just about scheduling posts. It's about creating a systematic approach that builds trust, showcases expertise, and guides potential clients toward hiring you. Think of it as your client attraction roadmap. Every piece of content should serve a purpose: educate your audience, demonstrate your skills, or move someone closer to becoming a paying client. Let me break down the 5 essential elements your content calendar must include. First, showcase content. This is where you highlight your best work, case studies, and client transformations. Aim for 40% of your content to be showcase-focused. Second, educational content. Share design tips, industry insights, and behind the scenes of your creative process. This positions you as an expert and gives value before asking for anything in return. Third, community engagement. Ask questions, respond to comments, and create content that sparks conversations. Fourth, social proof. Share client testimonials, reviews, and success stories that build credibility. And fifth, personal connection content. Let people see the human behind the designs. Share your story, values, and what drives your creativity. Now, let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes I see designers make. Mistake number 1, posting inconsistently. You post 5 times one week, then disappear for 2 weeks. Consistency builds trust, and trust converts visitors into clients. Mistake number 2, creating content without a clear goal. Every post should either educate, inspire, or move someone toward hiring you. If you can't explain why you're posting something, don't post it. Mistake number 3, only showing the final result. People want to see your process, your personality, and your expertise in action. Behind-the-scenes content often performs better than polished portfolio pieces because it builds connection. The solution? Plan your content mix in advance and stick to a consistent schedule that your audience can rely on. Loving these insights? If this is sparking new ideas for your design business, hit that like button and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your input helps fuel our creative community, and we might even feature your comment in a future video. Here's the strategic framework that changes everything. Start by mapping out your content themes for each day of the week. Monday might be Motivation Monday, where you share client success stories. Wednesday could be Wisdom Wednesday for design tips. Friday becomes Feature Friday, where you showcase your latest work. This creates anticipation and makes content creation easier. Next, batch your content creation. Spend 1 day a week creating all your content for the following week. This might mean filming 5 videos in one session, writing a week's worth of captions, or designing multiple graphics at once. Batching saves time and ensures consistency in your messaging and visual style. Then, use scheduling tools to automate your posting. This frees you up to focus on client work while maintaining your online presence. But remember, automation doesn't mean abandoning engagement. Set aside time daily to respond to comments and messages. Finally, track what works. Pay attention to which posts get the most engagement, comments, and inquiries. Double down on content that converts and eliminate what doesn't serve your goals. Let's recap the game changers. Create a content calendar with showcase, educational, engagement, social proof, and personal connection content. Avoid the 3 deadly mistakes: inconsistent posting, content without purpose, and and hiding your process. Use the strategic framework. Theme your days, batch your creation, schedule your posts, engage authentically, and track your results. Here's your challenge. Before this weekend's, map out your content themes for the next 30 days. Create your first week of content using this framework and watch how it transforms your client attraction. Your future clients are waiting to discover you. Make it easy for them to find and choose you. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow designer who needs a boost. Now check out these other following videos, or if you're ready to take things to the next level, head over to the DesignLemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content.